So what's up, guys? We kind of forgot to record an introduction to this video. So today, on today's vlog, we went to Tampa to Phantom Fireworks to purchase a fuck ton of fireworks for no reason, and then we ended up having a good time with it. Alright, guys.
As you can tell, future Brock just texted me and let me know that we did not record an intro, so that's what we're doing right now. Thank you, future Brock. You're a lifesaver.
Tell James. What should I tell James?
Those CBD gummies hit you hard, bro?
CBD gummies hit you hard?
No, it was a new type of tobacco we just got in.
The tribal tobacco.
Tribal tobacco.
Isn't that green stuff?
It's that tribal.
That's freaking good.
This one's for you, James.
How's that salad?
Alright, where are we going to?
Going to the one and only Sky Castle.
Oh yeah. So where are we going after?
Racetrack, and then we're gonna go get fucking $1,000 worth of fireworks.
Alrighty, guys, so we just stopped at our lovely place here, Sky Castle. Got some good masks. We're gonna go to Phantom Fireworks in Tampa because this man's about to drop way too much money on fireworks that, well, we'll have a good time with. So stay tuned, guys.
Oh, we got the
This kid's literally fucking blind. We're at Phantom Fireworks, as fucking TDI people
Here
do.
in Tampa, we don't know how to park.
Dude, I'm excited. This bitch is about to max out his car for no reason. Let's fucking go.
You know, you gonna cop or no?
It's really no one I can't buy one, get one, bro. I don't know.
That's a lot of mortars, guys.
Accelerator.
These recommend that you decide yourself.
You want the big one.
Where's your tarp?
It's just in the
I was thinking.
Alright.
This is overwhelming, honestly.
So this is what you need right here, Logan. Over 100 mortars.
A water fountain or an ATM?
You better leave that mask on, boy. I'm not trying to get kicked out. Then it'd be probably $500. Wait.
Hey.
Capricornia, huh?
I thought no one's ever met him before. We finally met him, dude. That's what he looks like. We found
Babalucci. That's not gonna get the party started.
Wait, Christian, are you gonna get a couple mortars?
Yeah. So today I'm buying $500 or $600 worth, and then today, sooner or later, I'll go back and buy like $750 more. I just don't want to get it all in one day.
Why?
Credit card bill.
Use that brain of yours.
I'll bang it for a buck.
I'll do it for free.
I'll bang you for.
I love Florida.
These fucking masks are so stupid.
It's so hot, man.
It's actually pissing me off.
So if you had like $600-700 to play around with, what would you like get?
Bang for buck. We want a lot of bang.
We want like a
But a lot of bucks.
I always say it's a personal preference myself, but I like mortars myself.
He likes mortars,
Yeah.
and that's the one who's spending the money.
That's the one that's going to get you the most time frame,
Yeah.
and then kind of end off with a finale of like a repeater or something
Okay.
like that. That way you get a quick, easy, a lot of shots, and quick, like you ain't got to go crazy trying to get a bunch of shells off and succession.
Yeah. So what do you guys
So
got?
me, like I said, Excalibur is there. There's a really good kit there. Lock and load as well. Exterminators are really good kit as well.
And these are buy one get one.
I'm going free all time.
Well, these are barely legal. What, like 17?
Oh my god.
That's a lot.
All right, fuck it. Yep, let's do it.
Alright, so we got 2 grand juries.
I need 2. I got it.
Put those.
Oh yeah.
Feel how heavy this is.
Yeah, it's actually.
Well, they're 5 inches each.
Oh, she's
man.
got some weight, brother.
You know what else?
She's got some weight.
What were you gonna say, Matt?
Nothing.
I got an inch on those mortars.
Well, you got a solid 6er poking her out.
A solid 6.5.
6 and some change.
That's a small guy for all that, huh?
That's a big guy for all this.
Already. The fuck are you doing already, dumbass?
I just tripped.
So this is $580 worth of stuff. I'm still coming back to go buy $750 more.
And
fuck it.
so, I mean, give us like a little, what'd you get? There's
you
a
got-
shit ton of stuff in here.
You got the 5-inch big boys right here, 24 shots.
Wait, only one?
2 of them, bro.
It's like,
2 of them.
that's 48 5-inch shells.
Yep. Then you got the big boys that are really loud. Each of them have 5 inches, I think 6 shots, right? I don't know, it doesn't fucking say. Who cares?
There's a lot of 6. Okay, those are big.
6-inch boys. Got 12 shot right here. Wait, how many is this one? Another 9.
Oh, those are the freebies, aren't they? Pull out the freebies real quick.
Yeah, bro. Look what they gave us.
What do you
for
hook us
freebies.
up with?
Wait,
Bro.
they give you free shit?
Yeah.
If you spend a certain amount of money.
This was free?
They gave him a bunch of free shit.
Alright, we should light off some of
These 2 were free right here.
And then he gave you a third thing too.
He gave me a shirt.
Oh yeah. So what else you got over here? You got the fat ones. You got the
I have your shirt.
2 core Ferrara special.
2 core for our
And what else we got?
Oh, let me count up how many shots we got.
All right, we're gonna count it up and then we're gonna come back with the number. All right, what's the update?
So in total, we counted all of them. All of these right here, it's 270 shots.
That's a lot of shots.
That's only $580. I'm coming back to spend more, $750 worth. So we're gonna have around 500 shots by the time we're,
on top of what we already have at the house.
which is his buddy's $2,000 worth. So if you do the multiplication, over 2,000 shots.
It's gonna be a lot of shots.
It's gonna be a lot of fucking fireworks.
Well, let's go ahead and load this shit up and let's get on back.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Oh shit.
over your budget?
Don't ruin my day.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh, fucking this. I'm always dropping this Caliburn.
Feels like I got a treat.
Wait, on a real note, it's actually beautiful out right now. Like the sky.
On a real note, you're beautiful.
Thanks, Cole. Can I show you my 1-inch mortar?
I can't wait. I can't believe you waited this long to ask me.
So what's going on over here, Matt? What do we got?
I don't give a shit. He probably thinks it's funny.
Well, what are we doing, Matt?
Putting some
yeah, you can put the other one back there.
some little firecrackers under his tire.
Do you have any small things?
Oh,
Yeah.
50.
Yeah.
So that should be pretty cool.
It should be pretty cool.
No.
Put this on the ground behind the
Hold on, you need 2 more?
Put that on.
Put 2 more under the back.
Alright, we all gotta load it up in one car.
Oh.
You better record as he's leaving, alright?
Everywhere we go, we always manage to have the police always on us. Can't we do like a little harmless prank, can we, Matt?
No, we can't.
Without like getting stopped for something.
Nope.
It was just bad timing that they happened to be.
Yeah.
Wait, here, thumbnail? Look.
What's going on, guys? And tonight we're closing out this vlog. So we ended up having an interesting night. We shot some fireworks at each other. We wasted probably way too much money. And yeah, stay tuned for some more dumb shit headed your way. We out.
What's up, guys? Back again with another vlog. My good buddies at McDonald's sent me over their new sweet tea. Could go ahead and give it a try and tell you what I think. Let's give it a whirl. This isn't fucking sweet tea.
Fucking dip.